Hello and welcome. I'm at Stuttgart CMT Trade Fair. This is the Laika Kosmo 60 camper van, and if you like a joke, let's now go over to the price list and you can see one. There you go, 80,000 euros for a camper van. Having said that, there's one they've got, it's almost 100,000. Obviously it depends on the kit you get inside. I mean, it's a very nice looking camper van, but it's certainly an expensive one at that. It's a bit like the EuraMobil or the Mobil Veta design, also they're from Trigano, a different company, camper vans, which are the same basic, all the technical stuff's the same as the cheap ones, but because it looks really good inside, it costs more. Right, well, what can we say here? We've got a headboard, that's the sort of thing, it sort of stands out. We've got corners which have been completely wasted, and let's see if I can open this. How can I open this? Can I remember how to open this? Oh, sorry, it opens like that, that was easy. And there you go. So this to me, you know, you've got 6 meters, that's a complete waste of space, it really is, absolutely. So 205 centimeters it'll be across on the outside, so the bed it'll be about 190 or thereabouts. You've got steps up into the bed, this part will come out. Over here we have got the fridge, and below the fridge we have the wardrobe, and in here we've got the washroom. Actually, the washroom's really nice for a camper van, I've got to say. I mean, how many camper vans, you know, with such a nice washroom as this? I've just got a sensible sliding door. Well, yeah, I'd much rather have one of these than one of the, I don't know, the Foster camp. Well, Foster weren't that bad, but roller team, for example, it's much nicer, but then again it's costing 25 to 30,000 more. So you're going to ask, is it all that much nicer? Having said that, before the COVID problems, something like this would probably cost double what the cheap camper vans would have cost. Let's have a look down here as well. So I mean, large drawers. These drawers I think will take 15 kilos in weight. Hymer group, the Hymer group, this is part of the Hymer group, uses this equipment right across its range. In here we've got a sink, and in here we've got 2 burners, and good, there you go. If you didn't believe me on the, oh, it doesn't have the price there, but we've got 2 versions, L2009 and L3009, and EcoVip low profiles. That's for motorhomes, not camper vans. What they put that in here for? Anyway, it's not the right one. But anyway, I've given you the dimensions and the price. You've got an extension there for the kitchen. You've got a little thing here. It comes out and puts sandals in, for example. Maybe, yeah, I think your sandals fit in there. Apparently they're all the rage these days. And down here we will find the fuse cupboard. Well, it looks nice, doesn't it? Television there. And definitely worthy of mention, though, is the light that's coming in through this. So it's got lots and lots of light inside it. Now, obviously, the prices do reflect the equipment that comes inside. And so if you wanted one without this, that'd probably knock the price down by 1,000 euros or thereabouts. Let's have a look on the back. No, I'm not going to have a look at the back, but they're all the same. Got space for 2 gas cylinders in there, and the bed will of course come up if necessary, as it does with all of them. There's your toilet cassette, and good. So there's an expensive camper van. It's elegant, but somewhat expensive in my opinion. Anyway, thanks for watching, and all the best from me. Bye for now.